Hello and welcome to BreadStacks, Stack Overflow for engineers. So diving right into it, the first thing you'll see here is that the user interface is very similar to Reddit or Stack Overflow. Now this was done intentionally as we want to make the user interface as easy to use for our user base for both engineers and for the users submitting the questions. Now as an engineer, the first thing you'll see here is all the queries that you could respond to. Now this is based on community engagement. So if an engineer has time, they would go in and they would see something like the 5 voltage divider to analog pin. Now, going in, they would click it and be met with a fully functional circuit connected to our Arduino Uno that supplies power and also the code for the circuit. Now, if we run this currently, or if we log in first using auth 0, which will bring us back in just 1 second, and we run this, we can obviously see that nothing happens and if we were to ask chat, the AI chatbot, and say, what is wrong with this? If we're short on time, or if we don't really understand, if it's a complicated circuit and we don't know what's happening, the chatbot will analyze this breadboard and give us feedback. And as we can see, if we just look through, we can see that the chatbot tells us exactly what the problem is and what we need to do to fix it. So it says here to connect to the ground, which if we take a wire, I take a wire here and connect it to the ground and save the code and run it, we can see that the light bulb will turn on, as this is a fully functional, fully interactive, immersible experience for both the engineer and for the user using it. Now, you might be asking, how does one actually submit a request? So the first thing you do as a user to submit a request is create a post, and all you would have to do is take a picture of your circuit, put in the title, a short description of what it does in the Arduino code, and our AI algorithm will take care of everything from there and build that fully immersible feed function.